Alright, today guys, we're going to do a Nissan Altima 2.5 liter oil change, and sorry, I thought I was getting called for something. We're going to do a 2.5 liter oil change, and actually I messed up the video again, believe it or not, but I've already drained the oil and the oil filter, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the oil plug right here, no big deal. Oil filter up in there, you feed it through here, it's no problem, you can get it with hand. Napa 21 358 oil filter, that's what we use. I don't know what it cross references with. The where you put the oil in is easy to see. It's right there on top of the motor, and I'm gonna put some in this, and then I'll be able to tell you what we got. Set that where you won't lose it. See, we have a very easy setup. We have this little gun that shoots it in there, and we just hold it down until it gets to whatever we need it to be. You can see how it works. Simple design, really. I'm only going to put 4 quarts in it for starting out, and I'm going to check it again, and if it needs more, then I'll put more in it, just to be safe. And I haven't started. You have to start it first. You fill up the oil filter before this is actually accurate. Right now it's not even showing full. You want it to be going over full before you start it. Now I'm going to put a half a quart more in, which obviously is 4.5. Now, it's showing just a little over full. I don't know if you can see that, but it's about right here, and the dot for full is right here. Going through this, you want to clean up any oil that may have dripped anywhere, because if it gets on the exhaust manifold, it'll smoke. Put the lid back on it. And now I'm going to start it real quick. Let it run for just a few seconds and then shut it back off. Unless, of course, it has a transmission fluid checker, then you check the transmission fluid while it's running. Which this does not. Now the oil dipstick will be accurate. And now it's showing low. Now we have 4 3/4 of oil in there, 5W30. And that will do it. I could have, just to make it easier, I could have went and got the owner's manual and looked it up, and it gave me the exact amount, how much I needed. But I wanted to do it like this just to show if you can't figure out how to put oil in, how much oil you need, and you don't have an owner's manual to go by, this is how you do it. You put so much in, given the size of the motor. This is a 4-cylinder. I only put 4 quarts in it. If it was my truck and I didn't know, I'd probably put 5 or 6 to put in it to start with, because it's a 5.6 V8. But it's just whatever you want. You can start off at a low number and just work your way up. It doesn't really matter. It'll take longer, but whatever. And actually, I'm going to fill it up with windshield washer fluid, because this is a service, not an oil change. I already did check the tires, but I didn't get that on video because I left my phone sitting where it was sitting. Luckily that didn't take a whole lot, so I didn't waste your time with that. But yep, that is a Nissan Altima 2.5 liter, 2011 model with 5W30 oil. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.